Welcome back to maths class. Yesterday we had discussed about the binomial theorem, coefficients problems and coefficients properties, formulas, some important problems. We'll go for the extension of these problems in the binomial theorem. So most easy problems in the binomial chapter. Most important easy chapters in the binomial chapter. So these are binomial rational index, binomial expansions, with rational index of rational index. Yesterday we had discussed with integer part, now rational index. So this is a rational index, very important, Nana. In this first one, 1 plus x whole to the power of p by q. This is to explain this, we go for the directly here. It is 1 plus x p whole to the power of p by q. This is 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p minus q into p minus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on, infinite series here, plus and so on. This, in this one, the general term here, tr plus 1 is p into p minus q into p minus 2q up to the so on, p minus r minus 1 into q by tr plus 1. So this is p minus p minus rq by r factorial into x by q whole to the power of r. In this case, x value, modulus of x value is less than 1. Modulus of x value is less than 1. Compulsory first property here, this is the modulus of x value is less than 1. So then only it is useful. And here it is second formula. What is this one? Means 1 minus x whole to the power of p by q. Just in a place of x, we have to replace the minus x. Just in a place of x, we have to replace the minus x. So this is 1 minus x whole to the power of p by q, 1 plus, sorry, we have to replace the minus x. So here we can get 1 minus p by 1 factorial into this x by q plus p into p minus q into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p, sorry, it is a minus third term, so it is a minus p into p minus q into p minus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on. But and the another formula, third formula, this is 1 plus x whole to the power of p by q. This is minus p by q, 1 plus x whole to the power of minus p by q. This value is minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on. This is one problem. For one problem, it is the most important formula. Now, fourth, it is useful for all the problems. Very, very important formula now. So, this is 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. This 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q plus into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on. Plus and so on. So, this is a most important formula. Very important formula, Nana. And another formula, 1 minus x whole to the power of minus n. This formula comes from this one only. This is 1 plus nc1 into x plus n plus 1 c2 into x square plus n plus 2 c3 into x cube plus and so on. The general term here n plus r minus 1 cr into x power r plus and so on. This is the, if it is another 1 plus x whole to the power of minus n. 1 plus x whole to the power of minus n. This is 1 minus nc1 into x plus n plus 1 c2 into x square minus n plus 2 c3 into x cube plus and so on plus minus 1 whole to the power of r into n plus r minus 1 cr x power r plus and so on. Here we having the another formula. This is 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1. This formula is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. And 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 2. It is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x to the power of 4 plus and so on. These are the substitution of, in a place of n, we have to substitution of 1 and 2 here. Okay. So, here it is most important formula. By using of this formula, we go for the solve the problems. Most important formula. One question compulsory question from today's class. One long answer compulsory. One long answer is compulsory from the today's class. So, we'll go for the problems. After the completion of the problems, we'll go for the uh, 2 marks questions are also in this chapter. Now the question is, find the sum of the series find the sum of the series 3 into 5 by 5 into 10, 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus and so on. Five into 10 into 15 plus and so on. So here it is, Krishna, good evening. Now we go for the solution. We have to find out the series, sum of the series. So I am taking, let S is equals to 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus next value is compulsory 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 plus and so on. So here in every formula, here we having the 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q, p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square, like this. But here we are not having the value of 1 and the first term. And the first term here we are not having. So here it is from the adding, compulsory we have to add, Nana. Adding, we are not having the 1. So adding 1 plus first term of the value. First term of the value here, what is the first term of the value here? It is a 3 by 5. So adding the first term here, adding 1 plus 3 by 5 on both sides. On both sides. 1 plus 3 by 5 on both sides. So here it is adding this value here, 1 plus 3 by 5 plus S is equals to 1 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus and so on. Plus and so on. So this is 1 plus, here the in both, here the LCM is 5 is LCM. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3 plus S is equals to, I am writing 3 by 5 into 1 plus 3 into 5 by 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 3 plus and so on. Now this 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 5 plus S is equals to, this value we can write 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 factorial into 1 by 5, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 by this value is 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square. This value is also 3 into 5 into 7 by this value is a 3 factorial into 1 by 5 whole cube plus and so on. So comparing the RHS with 1 plus p by 1 factorial. Here the extension is addition. So we have to use this formula, p by 1 plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. This value is equals to 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. So when we comparing with this value, what we get? We get comparing the second value, compulsory second value with this value, we get what we can get here now. P value is 3, p plus q value is also 5, and x by q value is also x by q is equals to, what is the 1 by 5? X by q is equals to 1 by 5. So whenever by comparing this, p equals to 3, so 3 plus q is equals to 5, q is equals to 5 minus 3, q is equals to 2. And substitution of this one, x by 2 is equals to 1 by 5, x is equals to 2 by 5. X is equals to 2 by 5. So here it is. Now 8 by 5 plus s is equals to 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. So 8 by 5 plus s is equals to 1 minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So this value is 8 by 5 plus s is equals to, again 5 is LCM, 5 minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So 8 by 5 plus s is equals to reciprocal 5 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. So s value we are required, so s is equals to 5 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 8 by 5. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer of, what is this one? 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 plus 3 into 5 and into 7 by, what is 5 into 10 into 15, like this. This is the final answer of this problem here. Okay. Right. We'll go for the next problem. Similar problem. And the most important question, if x is equals to, small x, if you hear the given, if x is equals to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus and so on, then show that 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. So this is the most important. It is repeated up to the 5 times. It is in the last 18th, 2018 is the last question. Okay. We go for this question. Okay, we'll continue. Given in the last problem we have taken some yes, but here they already given x. So x is equals to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6, 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9, 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus and so on. Here also we are not having the 1. Here also the missing terms are, 2 terms are missing. One is 1 and also the first term 1 by 3. First term is 1 by 3. Okay. Now adding 1 plus first term. What is the first term here? First term is 1 by 3. So I am adding that term also, 1 by 3 on both sides. Adding 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides. So here it is adding 1 plus 1 by 3 plus x is equals to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus and so on. And so on. 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus and so on. So similar from the last problem, here also LCM. 3 is LCM, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 plus 3x is equals to 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 1, 3 into 2 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 plus and so on. And so on. Infinite series. So this value is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 is there. So it is a 1 factorial plus 1 into 3 by 2. Sorry. 1 by 3 we have to write here. One into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 3 whole cube plus and so on. Plus and so on. So now This comparing RHS, same before problem as it is of before problem, comparing RHS with 1 plus p by 1 factorial into, we have tried here capital X. Why? Because we are already having the left hand side value is a small x, already given value is small x. So here we have to use the capital X here. So 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q, p by p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus and so on. This value is 1 minus capital X whole to the power of minus p by q. Now comparing the second term means this is a second term. This second term will be compared with this value. So first value is 1. So here the first value is p. So this we get p is equals to 1. And the second value 3 here. So here the second value is p plus q. P plus q is equals to 3. And also in the place of x by q, we having the x by q is equals to 1 by 3. So p is equals to 1 substitution, 1 plus q is equals to 3. So q is equals to 3 minus 1. So q is equals to 2. Q is equals to 2. Substitution here is also x by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. So capital X is equals to how much here? 2 by 3. Now the left hand side value, what is the left hand side value is 4 plus 3x by 3. So here from this 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. So this is 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to 1 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this LCM 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. This 3 minus 1, sorry, it is a 1 by 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this value is also 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So we have in a earlier classes a to the power of minus p by q, or what is sum r by s whole to the power of minus a by b is equals to, this value is s by r whole to the power of a by b. S by r whole to the power of a by b. So by using of this formula, 4 plus 3x by 3 is equals to reciprocal, this value is 3 to the power of 1 by 2. So this implies it is equals to 4 plus 3x is equals to 3 root 3. 3 root 3. This squaring on both sides, that is 4 plus 3x whole square is equals to 3 root 3 whole square. This is a plus b whole square is equals to a plus b whole square formula. This is 16 plus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24x, 24x plus 9x square is equals to 3 e square is 9 into 3. So this 9x square plus 24x is equals to 9 3s are 27 plus 16 if you taken minus 16. So therefore the final answer 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. So this is the final answer. This is a final answer. So in the live class, don't chat with the personal issues. Okay, Rana. So this is the final answer of the problem. So 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. So we got the 9x square plus 24x is equals to 11. We'll go for the next problem. So find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on. Nana, this class useful for the intermediate students, so don't chat in the live classes for personal issues. ఇది వినడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ కావడం కోసమే మేము పెడుతున్నాం, కానీ మీ పర్సనల్ ఇష్యూస్కు ఎంటర్ అయి చేయడం అనేది మంచిది కాదు. సో కాబట్టి కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జాయిన్ అయితే మంచిది. Solution, this is also most important problem, just confusion problem here in this. ఇది కన్ఫ్యూజన్ చాలా ఉంటుంది. Okay, we have to find out the sum of the series. So let S is equals to 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on. Before two problems, in the numerator how many terms and the denominator of number of terms will be the same. Then only we are written what is 2 factorial and 3 factorial. But here in this problem, numerator of terms, number of terms in the numerator and number of terms in the denominator will be the different. So first we have to make number of terms in the numerator and number of terms in the denominator will be the same. So first, what is the difference of 3 and 5? 3 and 5 difference is 2 only. So to write the difference here also, this difference is also we have to write as a 2. 3 minus 1, sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1. So for this 1 only, so simply this problem we can write 1 into 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 into 7, sorry, 1 into 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on. If you observe this problem, alternate values are changing. Before two problems, all the values will be the same. But in this problem, alternate values are plus and minus. So this is a compulsory we have to add in adding compulsory 1, and after that we have to add the first term. First term means 1 by 4. But here we have put the minus or plus, means here already it is a positive, so before term will be compulsory negative. Before term will be compulsory negative. So this value here adding first term is 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 on both sides of S. So this value here 1 minus 1 by 4 plus S is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 4 into 8 minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus and so on. So this value is a 4 is LCM now. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 plus S, 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 into 3 by 4 into 1 into 4 into 2 minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3 plus and so on. Plus and so on. Okay. So here it is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4 plus S is equals to 1 minus 1 by this value we can write 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 4 whole square plus minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole cube plus and so on. Plus and so on. Okay. So this value here we have to comparing with comparing RHS with 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus and so on. This value here 1 plus x whole to the power of minus p by q. This value is 1 plus x whole to the power of minus p by q. So this value here we get second term comparison. This second term comparison here, p plus p is equals to 1, p plus q is equals to 3, x by q is equals to 1 by 4. So 1 plus q is equals to 3, q is equals to 2. This x by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. 2 1s, 2 2s will be cancelled. X is equals to 1 by 2. X is equals to how much here? 1 by 2. So now 3 by 4 plus s is equals to 1 plus x whole to the power of minus p by q. So this value here 3 by 4 plus s 1 plus 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this LCM 2 is LCM 2 into 1 2 plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this is the value here 3 by 4 plus s 3 by 4 plus s 2 plus 1 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this 3 by 4 plus s is equals to, this is the 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. The power will be changes if you take in the reciprocal. So, so therefore s is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So therefore what is the value here? We are having the question 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus and so on is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. We can write square root of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is a final answer. This is a final answer. Okay. Now we'll go for the another problem. We'll go for the another problem. If x is equals to, if x is equals to 1 by 5, this may be first problem 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus and so on. Then show that then show that 3x square, sorry, then find Then find 3x square plus 6x. 3x square plus 6x. Already given x value, so given x is equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus and so on. Plus and so on. So, first term there is only not having the 1. So, adding 1 on both sides of x, adding 1 on both sides of x. So, here it is 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus, directly I am writing 1 by 5 into 1, 1 into 3 by 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 1, 5 into 2 into 5 into 3 plus and so on. Plus and so on. So this value here 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5, 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square, 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 5 whole cube plus and so on. Plus and so on. Same, comparing the RHS. Comparing RHS with what is 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. This value is 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. What we get? We get, comparing the second term, Nana, p value is 1, p plus q is equals to 3, x by q is equals to 1 by 5. So 1 plus q is equals to 3, so q is equals to 2. Now x by 2 is equals to 1 by 5. So x is equals to 2 by 5. Now if you write here the solution here only for this, 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus x whole to the power of minus p by q. 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of what is minus 1 by 2. This is 1 plus x is equals to, directly I am writing, Nana, 5 minus 2 LCM, 5 minus 2 by 5 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 plus x is equals to, this is 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. 1 plus x is equals to reciprocal 5 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides. this reciprocal will be cancelled. It is directly 1 plus x whole square is equals to 5 by 3. So 1 plus 2x plus x square is equals to 5 by 3. Cross multiplication 3 plus 6x plus 3x square plus 3x square is equals to 5. So plus 3 if you taken 3x square plus 6x is equals to 5 minus 3. So therefore 3x square plus 6x is equals to 2. So this is the final answer. The final answer. Okay. So these are the most important binomial second type of long answer questions. Yesterday we have discussed first type of long answer question, and this is the second type of the long answer questions. So this is a completion of the long answer questions of the binomial theorem. Tomorrow we'll go for the another chapter, either in the 2b or 2a. Tomorrow we'll go for the another chapter. Okay, Rana? Thank you.